Check it out, boys and girls. 2023 Dodge Durango Hellcat. These 6.2 liters of supercharged raw power. It's already got a rear delete on it. We're going to do a mid delete next. So I said, I'm going to let you guys hear it before we do that. That's a beast right there. Look at that. You can hear that supercharging. There it is right there. Again. And here we go. Go ahead. That sounds really nice. Again. There's sound decibels. One more. 105. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to take the mufflers off next. All right, guys. We got a 2023 Dodge Durango Hellcat SRT 6.2 liter supercharged raw power. What is it, Jared? Power. Say power. Power. Okay, just say power.
Yeah, I get
Power. Anyways, so what we done on it, factory converter. Then we took the mid muffler off because it was way too quiet. He didn't like it. He wanted it a little louder. So we told him, we got you. Then, I don't know if this is an X pipe or they're just welded together. I think they're just welded together. I don't think it's an X pipe there. And then 3-inch pipe continues, and we did a rear delete with 3-inch pipe earlier in the year. And finished it off with some 5-inch black roll tips. Came out absolutely beautiful. There it is, right there. And right there, out the back. There's that suitcase muffler that was on it. We took off. Much better. Took about 50 pounds of weight off of it. Liposuction that sucker. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it. Much better. We needed that. That idle's sick. Woo! Here, let me let you guys hear idle. It's 93 on idle. Now give it gas. Much better. Now it sounds like an SRT, man. Now it sounds like a Hellcat. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. 123. That's freaking insane. Wow. In my loud environment. That's how we like it. Wow, 124. That's insane. Oh, I love it. Hellcat. That cat purr, man. Woo! Love it. Can't even step behind it, it's so loud. I love it. Sounds so good. That's how they all should come. Let you guys hear on the inside. Durango SRT Hellcat. Sexy, sexy, sexy beast. I don't know, man. I wanted the TRX, but I got a family. Should I get a Durango then instead?
No.
Hellcat. Yes. Yes.
Look at Sienna.
Sienna? What? Sienna, man? Are you crazy? my God, beast mode to the max.